So where will we go today? Meet me out among the endless possibilities. We'll laugh all the clouds away. I know someday we'll have to stay, but where will we go today? For what we've heard or seen this time, darling, this run's just begun, so don't you worry now. So every road we go changes us somehow closer to who we really are. So
wow.
Yeah, this is gonna be a hard one for mine.
Should I get off?
Hey, you sure? My shit's rocking right here.
Here, love it.
I'm trying stuck. Alright guys, just got home from everything. Sorry I didn't get a lot of footage of my car, but you know, it is what it is. I should have done more, but this is my first time getting drone shots of the car, so I'm pretty happy with that. Anyways, go follow the guy who filmed for me. I'm gonna provide the link in the description below and like the name of his Instagram on screen. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, Snapchat, please do so. Let the video a thumbs up, you do you, and remember, keep busting your off-road nuts. Thanks for watching.
So where will we go today?